it, and she's expected at the National Assembly Committee. We are keen on that story. Now, in a bid to combat rising cases of fatal accidents along major Kenyan roads, Matatu Owners Association is now pushing to establish a driving school to offer refresher courses to public service vehicle and commercial drivers. Matatu Owners Association Chairman Albert Karakacha revealed that they are in talks with the government to establish the facility for enhanced driving skills to drivers. Besides the clinics that the association has been conducting in various parts of the country, sensitization on drivers and motorists on better road uses, Karakacha revealed that the driving school will further instill discipline among drivers, which will help reduce accidents.
The issue of the road accident, I think we are working very closely with the government, and we've been doing clinics the whole country as Matatu Owners Association, and through the road clinics, we believe the road carnage is going to go down, and we urge our drivers to be very careful on our roads.
We have tried on our side, and we want to urge the government that let us just work together to contain the menace that we are seeing in the carnages we are witnessing in on our roads.
Using this van has offered to be the transport partner, and we are seeing a lot of changes and a lot of positives on this initiative of road safety campaigns.
Elsewhere, the Kenya Primary School Heads Teachers Association Northeastern Branch is calling on the government to prioritize posting more teachers in schools